Siya sa mga gihulagway nga world-class native bag painter gumikan sa iyang pagka-creative sa pag-customize sa iyang mga produkto. Busa atong mahinabi karon kining negosyante and at the same time artist nga si Leslie Ann Pino. Maayong buntag, Leslie, and welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Hi, good morning, Ma'am Cecil. Good morning sa tanang nananaw.
First of all, Leslie, kumusta na ka?
Karon medyo busy. Busy gyud gyapon. I just came from vacation. Yeah, karon balik na sad og kuan sa mga bags.
Yes. Wow, booming kayo ang business karong panahon na, Leslie, ha? And we can't help but notice pagkanindot sa imuhang mga hand-painted bags. Kanusta ka nagsugod ni ini?
Ay, thank you. Surprisingly, nag-start ko February lang yun. To be exact, around second week of February. So that's February, March, April, 2 months, roughly 2 months. And yeah, nakaproduce na sad kog mga almost 3 dozens na sad nga bags and na-ship na po to various places in the Philippines and abroad.
Wow, amazing. Ang imuhang talento turned into business. And we're also very interested to know, when did you learn, Leslie, nga talented ka sa painting?
According to my mom, sa iyahang testimony lang, daan na gid ako mag-sketch when I was in kinder. So, and then murag nalimtanan ako ang passion in arts because I studied nursing man. But then during the pandemic lang yun, last year, when we were like confined in the four corners of our house or our rooms, wala na tayong nahimo. So I was thinking, what if I start to paint? So originally, canvas painter yun ko. So you can see it in my back, mona siya. Canvas painter gid ko, and then a friend of mine introduced me or gave me an idea to paint on bags. And that's when I started.
And of course, Leslie, we also learned na imuha pa ning gi-source out ang imuhang mga materials. Asa ni gikan ang mga native bags that you're using?
I found Ma'am Tonet she hails from Negros Occidental, but she's residing in Cebu City na. So I came across her, and since day one, she provided na my bags. So the material of our bags are pure pandan leaves, and when we started this, Ma'am Cecil, it was out of the advocacy ba nga daghan man kog mga local weavers nga they want to sustain a living. And because I have a full-time job during the day, I did not really rely on the income that I get from the bag. So it's more of like makatabang kita sa mga local weavers nato nga nain taon sa mga bundok nagpuyo nya dili gyud ka sustain og living during the pandemic ba. So the idea came from there.
Para kanimo, Leslie, how important is it to support our own local weavers, our own local business owners as well?
I paint the bags with my talent. I get to help people. And I know that maybe sa each bag makapakaon na silang mga anak. You know, they feed, they bring food to the table. So that's really important because di man kun tanan karon makakaon 3 times a day.
We'd also like to know, how many hours does it take you para mahuman ang imuhang hand painting?
Actually, Ma'am Cecil, ang hand painting, it would vary depending on the design and the bag size. Okay, for example, nako ipakita nga small kaayong design. For example, kanilang round lang siya. But even if it's small, if you have a look at the intricacy of the details ba, it's not really dili nimo siya makaingon ka nga makahuman ra gyud ka in 1 or 2 hours. So in fact, the longest I sat down for a bag was like 10 to 12 hours.
And before we end our interview, Leslie, unsay imong gustong ibilin nga message para sa ato ang mga viewers, ilabi na sa mga nag-online business din ha?
One thing I've learned is that the things that you will really attract the things that you really love. So, bisag kalimtan pa na nimo nga gusto ka mag-nurse, mag-doctor or what, it's really gonna come back to you if that's what you want in life. And when you get there, when you're at the peak of success, never think of criticisms as, as the win for you not to keep going, but think of those comments as the win for you to keep sailing.
Thank you kayo for this much needed motivation, Leslie. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you sa kayo, Ma'am Cecil.